Day 221, Meditation on Loneliness and Isolation. My sense is that the experience of loneliness is due to two main causes. One is that people have become too numerous. When the world was less populated, we must have been more acutely aware of belonging to the human family. People definitely knew each other better, and the need for mutual support would have been greater. Even today in small villages, people know each other, lend their tools and machines, and carry out heavy work together. In the old days, they would get together regularly, go to church, and pray together. They had more opportunities to communicate. Now that the world is overpopulated, millions of people are crowded into the big cities. Looking at them, one would think that their only concern is to work and earn a salary. Each individual seems to live a separate, independent life. Modern machines give us great autonomy, and we have the impression, mistaken of course, that other people are less and less important for our well-being. This situation encourages indifference and a feeling of isolation. Words to meditate on. You can create that connection in your life no matter where you are. My purpose in reading.